Did you know that eating just 2 tiny cloves a day could change the way your body feels, inside and out? These little spice buds have been used for thousands of years, from ancient Chinese medicine to Indian Ayurveda, not just for flavor, but as a natural remedy for pain, digestion, and even infections. But what really happens if you start eating 2 cloves every single day? Today, we're digging deep into the science-backed benefits, the hidden compounds inside cloves, who should avoid it, and how to consume it safely. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll see why this common kitchen spice is more powerful than most people realize. Interesting facts. Cloves are actually the dried flower buds of a tree called Syzygium aromaticum. They were once so valuable that wars were fought over them in the spice trade. Modern research shows they have one of the highest antioxidant levels of all spices, beating even blueberries on some scales. That's a lot for such a tiny bud. Now let me explain the benefits of cloves in detail. 1. Boosts brain health and mental clarity. Cloves don't just help your body, they can also support your brain. Thanks to powerful compounds like eugenol and beta-caryophyllene, cloves act as strong antioxidants that protect brain cells from damage and reduce inflammation linked to memory loss and diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Studies suggest clove extracts may improve learning, memory, and alertness, while also calming the nervous system to lower stress and anxiety. Because cloves help with blood circulation, they may also boost oxygen flow to the brain, supporting better focus and mental clarity. Some early research even shows clove oil may reduce seizure activity by calming overactive brain signals. In short, eating a small amount of cloves each day could help keep your brain sharper, calmer, and healthier as you age. 2. Boosts oral and dental health. Cloves contain eugenol, which acts as a local anesthetic or numbs pain and as an antibacterial. Eugenol blocks nerve signals in the gums, which is why dentists have used it for toothaches for centuries. At the same time, it fights bacteria like Streptococcus mutans that cause cavities and bad breath. Research shows clove-based mouth rinse reduces plaque and gum inflammation more effectively than some commercial rinses. So, 2 cloves a day, chewed or steeped in tea, can reduce mouth bacteria, freshen breath, and support gum health. 3. Improves digestion and reduces bloating. Cloves stimulate the production of digestive enzymes thanks to their essential oils and flavonoids. The compounds increase saliva and gastric secretions, which help break down food more efficiently. Eugenol also helps reduce stomach spasms and gas. Animal studies show clove extracts protect the stomach lining from ulcers by reducing excess acid and killing H. pylori, the ulcer-causing bacteria. So, 2 cloves a day, especially as tea after meals, can reduce bloating, gas, and indigestion. 4. Helps control blood sugar. This one's big. Cloves contain nigericin, a compound that boosts insulin activity, plus eugenol and phenolics that slow carbohydrate breakdown. Nigericin improves the way cells take in sugar from the blood. Meanwhile, clove antioxidants reduce oxidative stress linked to insulin resistance. A human study in people with type 2 diabetes found that 1 to 3 grams of cloves daily lowered fasting glucose, bad cholesterol, and triglycerides. So, 2 cloves a day isn't a full therapeutic dose, but it adds gentle support for stable blood sugar. 5. Supports healthy blood circulation. Eugenol has a mild blood-thinning effect by preventing platelets from clumping together. This improves circulation and may reduce the risk of clots. Eugenol also lowers LDL oxidation, which helps keep arteries healthier. Lab studies show eugenol is as effective as low-dose aspirin in reducing platelet aggregation, but in a milder way at food levels. So, 2 cloves a day can support circulation and heart health, though people on blood thinners should be cautious. 6. Strong antioxidant and anti-inflammatory power. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants, compounds that fight cell damage and inflammation. This may help lower the risk of chronic diseases, support healthy aging, and even protect the liver, at least in animal studies. Last but not least, 7. Fights infections. Cloves have antimicrobial properties that help fight bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Eugenol and other clove oils damage the cell walls of bacteria, fungi, and even some viruses. They disrupt the protective membrane of microbes, making them die off faster. Cloves show strong activity against bacteria like E. coli, fungi like Candida, and even stomach bugs like H. pylori. So, 2 cloves a day act as a natural defense boost for your immune system. Now, what makes cloves so powerful? The secret lies in their natural compounds. Eugenol, the main oil, responsible for pain relief, anti-inflammatory effects, and circulation benefits. Flavonoids and phenolics, plant antioxidants that protect cells and fight inflammation. Fiber, manganese, and vitamins, tiny amounts, but they support metabolism, bone strength, and energy production. Together, these compounds turn 2 little cloves into a daily dose of natural medicine. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with someone who loves natural remedies, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips. But who should be careful? As powerful as cloves are, daily use isn't for everyone. Blood thinners. If you're on medication like warfarin, aspirin, or strong NSAIDs, cloves may increase bleeding risk. Mouth irritation. Chewing cloves daily can sometimes irritate your lips or gums. Liver issues. Large amounts of clove oil have been linked to liver problems, especially in children. Whole cloves are safer, but moderation is key. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should stick to small culinary amounts and avoid oils or supplements. Lastly, how to consume cloves safely. Here's the best way to enjoy the benefits without the risks. Option 1. Clove tea. Crush 2 cloves, steep in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes, and sip after meals. Gentle and easy on the mouth. Option 2. Chew them. If you don't mind the strong taste, chew 2 cloves and swallow. Just don't overdo it every single day. Option 3. Use in cooking. Add cloves to curries, soups, or rice for flavor and slow, steady benefits. So, what really happens if you eat just 2 cloves a day? You're not only supporting your digestion, immunity, heart health, blood sugar, and circulation, but you're also giving your brain a natural boost, protecting memory, sharpening focus, and calming the mind. Just remember, cloves are powerful, so moderation is key.